In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paperform with Make, a handy tool that can truly elevate the automation of your daily tasks. Whether you're a beginner or already familiar with these tools, I'll guide you through each step in a way that's easy to understand. First, let's start by logging into Make. Open your web browser and head to make.com. If you already have an account, simply log in. If not, you'll need to create a new account. Don't worry, it's a quick process. Make is a powerful automation platform, and having an account is the first step to utilizing its full potential. Once you're logged in, you'll need to create a new scenario. On the Make dashboard, look for the option that says Create a New Scenario. This is where you begin linking Paperform with the various apps and services you use. In the module list that appears, search for Paperform. This will allow us to set up a connection to capture form submissions. Now let's add the Paperform module by selecting Watch Submissions. This setup will trigger an action every time someone submits a form through Paperform. To enable this, you'll need to connect your Paperform account to Make. You'll be prompted to authorize access, which securely links both accounts and allows them to communicate with each other. After you've successfully connected your accounts, it's time to select the specific form you want to use in this scenario. Simply browse through your list of available forms and pick the one that suits your needs. Once you've chosen your form, it's important to test the connection. Testing ensures that Make can successfully receive submissions from your chosen form without any hiccups. Next, we'll add action modules. These are the applications you want your form data to be sent to. For instance, you might want to send your data to Google Sheets, Airtable, Slack, or even through an email. Once you add these modules, you'll need to map the fields from Paperform to the corresponding fields in your chosen app. This step is crucial as it ensures the data is handled correctly, maintaining its integrity. Lastly, it's time to test and activate your scenario. Start by running a test submission on your chosen form. Carefully observe if the data flows smoothly into your connected app. If everything looks good, go ahead and activate the scenario. This step is important as it makes the automation live, working tirelessly in the background, saving you time and effort. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected Paperform with Make, setting up a seamless automation that enhances efficiency in managing your data workflows. Thanks for watching and happy automating.